Hi, I'm Lily from Alpha Surveying. The Alpha 40 supports the UAV base station function, achieving centimeter-level positioning accuracy even without network coverage. Set up the base station on a control point. On the instrument page, select Communication Settings. Choose the corresponding instrument model. For the connection type, select Wi-Fi. Select the corresponding Wi-Fi network to connect. Click a Connect. Click Base. Click on the Base Startup Mode and select Assign Base Coordinates. Click Own Settings. The antenna height is 1.73 meters. Click Data Link and select Internal Radio. Adjust the channels, protocols, and power as needed. Click OK. Click Start Base. The base station mode setup is now complete. Click Enter Flight Interface. Click Enter Camera View. Follow the general settings and close the page. Connect to Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi network that matches the fuselage's NS code. The password is 128. Click a Connect. After a successful connection, return. Click Flight Settings in the upper right corner. Select Precision Positioning Settings. Turn on the RTK positioning function. Scroll down to Configure and Edit. Click DIT. The NT or IP address is 192.168.188.1. The port is 8001. The account is Admin. The password is 128. The mounting point is device's serial number. After editing, click Avenue. Once the float becomes fixed, the connection will be completed.